After 4 long months of not having Lush products, I caved. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Catherine and I make videos all about sustainability and wellness. If that sounds like it's up your street, then make sure you press the subscribe button and don't forget to tick the bell so you're notified every single time I post. Today I'm going to be showing you a haul of all of my essential Lush products that I use. The reason that I love Lush, if you are unaware of them, is because most of their stuff comes package free, and the things that are packaged you can take back to the store and then they're going to recycle them and reuse them for you. So in general it fits with my moral code and I absolutely love their products because they're all natural and they don't have any nasty chemicals in. Also, apologies for the frizzy hair and sweaty face. We are about to have a thunderstorm and oh my god, I'm so hot. So let's get on with it. There's quite a few things to get through, so I'm just going to show you what I got, when I use it, why I use it, and yeah, show you what I have. So the first product I got was actually a hair treatment. So this is the Jasmine and Henna Fluff Ease hair treatment. My hair is naturally very curly, it falls into little ringlets, and it also suffers with frizz quite badly. So I will tend to put olive oil on my hair once a week just to keep it nice and strong and stop it from snapping, and once a month I will use this hair treatment. So this hair treatment has a really lovely floral scent and I just put it on for 20 minutes before I get into the shower, and then when I wash it off it feels really nice and soft and it really helps me deal with this fluffiness. But yeah, I got the big pot so there's no chance of me running out of it again. Oh, and it just smells so good. So this one, obviously the main scent is that jasmine. So it's very floral. Some people love jasmine, some people hate it. It's one of those, but I really like the smell. The second item that I got is a mask of Magnum Minty. So anyone that knows Lush knows about this product because it's super popular. So I actually went for the self-preserving version because it's completely preservative free and I just try to avoid them if I can. So I really like that they came out with this version. So this one, obviously the clue is in the name, it's got that really minty smell. So it's just like really cooling. You can put it on your face and your body and it just like tingles. The mint just feels so nice, especially in summer. My friend actually the other day said that she puts hers in the fridge, so I think I'm gonna try that this week. I tend to use this on a hair wash day. So I wash my hair like every 3 days and I will put this on while my conditioner is doing its thing. And yeah, so that's my exfoliation and a face mask at the same time. So I really like it. And I'm so happy to have a bit of my shower routine back in my life. Now I'm going to show you 2 bath bombs. So these ones I didn't actually buy for myself. I bought them for my dad for Father's Day. So me and my sister went halves on these ones. But they're super cute. Let me show you. It's just a really cute bath bomb. It's like really sweet smelling, but it still has like quite a, I don't know, it kind of smells like, it has a dad smell. I'll put the ingredients below. But yeah, the scent of it's just like so good, but it's quite a masculine smell. So I think he'll really like it, but more than anything, I think he'll just think that it's really cute and thoughtful. Now, me and my sister also got another one for him. So my dad is a really big fan of the Dirty scent by Lush. So the Dirty scent is really minty. It's also got sandalwood and cedarwood. So it's got that really kind of like woody smell. This year for Father's Day they did a dirty bath bomb, so we've got him this one as well. It's super pretty. I bet it looks amazing in the water. But I really like the smell of it actually. I don't tend to use the dirty scent products myself. I relate them to my dad now, but that smells really good. It's really fresh. Now the next product is my holy grail. You will have seen that I used this one in my nighttime routine video, and this is my oil cleanser, which I use as my first step of my skincare routine, and it is Ultra Bland. Ultra Bland is so nice because it comes in like an oil consistency and then you melt it in between your fingers and rub it on your face and it just completely takes your makeup off. But the best thing about this one is when you wipe it off, it just leaves like this super soft feeling on the skin. So I really like it for that reason, because I have quite oily skin but I also flake on my cheeks, and I feel like cleansing with oil helps to balance that out. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that I make my own rose toner water, and the reason I use roses is because it's really good on that redness and soreness on the skin. Ultra Blend, as well as having all of those lovely softening ingredients, it also has rose water in, so it's going to help with my redness. If I had to choose one product to buy from Lush for the rest of my life, oh, it's tough. It would either be Mask of Magnum Minty or Ultra Blend. No, Ultra Blend, because I'm always going to wear makeup, I think. So I always need this to take my makeup off. I refuse to use anything else. And the other bonus of using Ultra Blend to take your makeup off is you're not using makeup wipes, which are awful for your skin. I'll go into that in another video if you're interested, but stay away from wet wipes. The other reason I use Ultra Blend is because it means that I create no waste when I'm taking my makeup off. All you need is a flannel, some hot water, and this, and your skin is going to be so good to go afterwards. The next product that I bought was a facial moisturizer, and the one that I tend to go for is Cosmetic Latte. Now this I use as my night cream, as I find that Lush moisturizers do take a little bit longer to soak in because they are natural ingredients. The reason I use Cosmetic Latte is because I get quite bad hormonal acne, and this one has lots of antibacterial ingredients inside, so it's just really good for those people that need to calm their skin. And I think that's why Cosmetic Latte is usually recommended for like men that shave their faces, because sometimes you get that irritability. But I also think if you do suffer with hormonal acne but you are prone to drier skin, I would definitely recommend that you try this one. Many acne products actually take the moisture out of your face, so I can't use a lot of them, but because mine is just hormonal acne, then I need that antibacterial with the hydration. Now next I got myself 2 bath bombs in this haul, and the first one is Turmeric Latte. So for any of you that have smelt this one, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's amazing. It's so like luxurious, and it just makes me feel fancy. They actually have a body spray of this, which I have, and I absolutely adore. When I wear it, I just feel like $1 million, honestly. But if you are going to try a Lush bath bomb, make it this one because it smells so good. You know that I'm all about self-care, and for me, bath bombs are that lovely form of self-care. I will run a bath, read a book, or even just sit in silence, and it's like my one time where I just get to just completely relax. So bath bombs encourage me to stay in the water for longer and to actually unwind and enjoy it. And the other bath bomb that I got for myself is so beautiful, and it is the Rose Butterfly bath bomb. The main reason I love this one, other than the smell, is the way it looks. It's so beautiful. It creates like this dreamy lilac and pink colour in the bath, and it's just so pretty, and I wish that I was this bath bomb, to be honest. It's everything that I want to be. You can't beat it. So if you like rose floral scent, then definitely try this one. Now the last product that I got from my Lush haul is a really exciting one for those of you who maybe haven't heard of it, and it is the Lush Concealer. So they come in a lovely solid form, and they have a protective bit of wax that keeps it all together. The base of it is extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter, so it's super hydrating. I don't really wear foundation. I'll wear it for like a special occasion or if I'm having a really bad breakout, but most of the time I just use a concealer. If you wanted to, you could use a makeup brush or a beauty blender. It depends on what suits you, but for me, I just like to dab it into place with my fingers. I always try and use products with natural ingredients, and I feel like in terms of makeup, this is a really good match for me because it's as natural as makeup can get. This is definitely one of my favorite products. If you're wanting to know what color you are, then some of their larger stores do color matches for you. Otherwise, have a look on their website and see which you think might be the best fit. Okay, and that concludes my Lush haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for some environmentally friendly cosmetic products, then hopefully you'll check this brand out because I really love what they do. I'm always open to looking for new ethical companies to try, so if there are any that you could recommend to me, then please leave a comment and I will definitely get some of the products and I can try them on camera for you, as I'm always looking to widen my knowledge of ethical companies. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it really helps other people find my videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I will see you in the next video on Sunday. Bye!
You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you depend